Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're going to check battery quickly. Open the Ring app and sign into your account, then select the specific doorbell device. Once done, tap the device health panel shown on the device page. This reveals current battery percentage and charging status. Make sure your phone has internet and the Ring app is updated so the reading is live. If you see no battery info, refresh the device screen or wait a few seconds for the app to sync. Now interpret what you see. The percentage shows immediate charge, and some models display estimated days remaining based on recent activity. If your battery drains fast, make sure live view and frequent motion alerts aren't running needlessly. These increase power use. Once you understand usage, tap the battery options to enable low battery notifications and check whether your device supports removable batteries or solar charging for less maintenance. Make adjustments in modes and schedules to conserve battery over time. Finish by taking action. If the app shows low or frozen battery stats, remove and inspect the battery or wiring per your doorbell model instructions, then charge or replace it. Once reinstalled, open the app and verify the device health updates. Make sure the unit has a stable Wi-Fi connection so readings sync. If the percentage stays incorrect after a full charge, restart the doorbell or perform a device reset. If that fails, contact Ring support for a deeper diagnostic. This usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.